To perform and test ourselves towards the vulnerabilities, we need the vulnerable web applications. So here we are going to install DVWA. Goodie at Beginners Mentor. Here in this video tutorial we are gonna install DVWA in our Kali Linux 2022.4. So what you all just need to do is you just go ahead for the Kali Linux website and search for DVWA and just do sudo apt install DVWA in your terminal. This all installs DVWA into your Kali Linux. I recommend you, before installing DVWA, just update your system by sudo apt update. So this installs the latest package and versions into your Kali Linux. This makes your DVWA installation smooth and clear. So once you install your DVWA, you just start your DVWA by saying DVWA start, and you just need to authenticate it. I recommend you just not install this into your host system because we are going to lower our securities, so this may affect your host system and it may lead to compromise. So I just suggest you to install it in your VirtualBox or VMware. This literally works. So take your Kali Linux in your VirtualBox and install it in your install DVWA into your Kali Linux itself. Hope you might have installed it and enjoy. Bye bye.